Alright, so fuel goes in here and it goes out of here and it goes into there. So fuel goes in here, it goes through here and then to there. So fuel filters should be right under here because I looked it up. Hey guys, how's it going? If you remember from last time, we installed the suspension and it seems to have settled pretty well. Now we're going to do the fuel filter because it's never been done and the car has 180,000 kilometers on it. So today we're going to do this fuel filter on the Jetta 2.0T TSI. So I ordered this part from Germanparts.ca. It's OEM, it's got the Volkswagen symbol on it. It's made in China. A fuel filter filters particulates out of the fuel. So after 180,000 kilometers, and I'm the second owner, so I don't know, what kind of gas stations the person before me went to. I want to, treat my low pressure fuel pump with some respect, and it might be pushing through a lot of dirt if that filter's dirty. And 180,000 kilometers isn't something to just turn your back on, especially if you're running an aftermarket turbo setup. So let's get started. Let's replace this and help with flow on the low pressure side of my fuel system. The dirt adds horsepower.
Wow, your car's jacked up on boost.
Now it's jacked up on stands. Okay, so here you can see the two lines on one side of the filter, and that's coming from the pump. I believe one of them might be a return, I'm not quite sure. The filter itself right over there shows us the arrow, which shows us the outlet right there. So we're gonna take all these lines off, we're gonna let them drain into a bucket to pick up all the crap.
First, we are going to remove this Phillips screw right here. It's kind of rusty, and that is retaining the pump in place with a circular type of bracket. Okay, so that screw is very rusty, holding that fuel filter in place. So Julian is gonna actually drill that thing out.
There we go.
That's what I like to see, my friend.
Oh, that's gonna be easy to fix, yeah.
Just put a bigger screw in there.
Put a nice fat screw in there that isn't rusted.
And maybe paint that screw so it does not rust again.
This blue thing, you push in on this clip here. And it's the same on this black one, see? So this is a black clip here. If I push in, you can see it going in a bit. You push in and then you push the line out.
It might be easier to...
And then you pull the screwdriver out of your finger after stabbing yourself.
It might be easier to push the line in while you're pushing that tab in.
Oh yeah, like the coil packs. Yeah, and then out. There we go. Oh, and then get a margarine container because that is perfect for fuel. Because then afterwards you can spread it on some bread and get the same nutritional value as margarine. I kid, I like margarine. It's good. See, look, 30% of your vitamin D for the day.
Margarino.
Alright, and basically you're doing that for all three connectors. And then you're done.
Well, that was a great video.
Right? It's good. You can tell we're working harder now. Okay, so let's see what's inside this.
What we got?
Look at that. It's pretty dirty.
That looks pretty dirty. It looks dark.
If you like this video, thanks. Right, then just go to the end. If you like this video, thanks.
Oh, what a nerd. What a bloody nerd.